So I recently had hands-on of so many smartphones. Hands-on are not reviews, but they give impression of what smartphone feels and looks like. Initially, I went into the office to get the Itel S16 Pro, but since that wasn't available yet until a few weeks away from now, I ended up with the Itel S16 itself. Let me share my experience. The Itel S16 is far from impressive, and I would never recommend someone to buy it except you're on a very tight budget, because you have just 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage. Moreover, you have 8 megapixel dual rear cameras, 8 megapixel selfie front camera, and sadly, there is no 4G network available. So instead of recommending that, I would rather advise you stick around a little while for the Pro version with 4G network and at least 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. But in all this, one thing I did notice was how well Itel has improved when it comes to its design of smartphones. The Itel S16 series are the sleekest devices Itel has ever made. So it feels more comfortable now holding an Itel smartphone, starting with this series of Itel S16. The Pro version of the Itel S16, that is the Itel S16 Pro with 4G connectivity, will be with me soon in the studio for a review. So not to miss out on that, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification, so when I drop it, you'll be among the first to watch it. It's Maiji here. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.